with you, painting fairy tales on the wall. Calling to the better of the halves of me. Please show me just a little bit of honesty. I'd hope I got a heart that I can salvage, but it's getting harder now to recall. I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. But when I noticed it was far too late, you left a fingerprint on my soul.
Took a couple L's this week, it's been hard to get out of bed. She never looked that way at me, I swear she's fucking with my head.